College is supposed to be exciting. New people, new opportunities, a fresh start. But sometimes it feels lonely. You wake up surrounded by noise, yet somehow it's all quiet inside. You see everyone laughing, hanging out, posting their perfect moments, and you wonder why you can't feel the same. You tell yourself it's fine, that it'll pass, but the truth is, it's okay not to be okay. Because you don't have to go through this alone. Sometimes all it takes is one message, one conversation, one person who listens. Reaching out doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're brave enough to take the first step towards feeling better. So talk to someone, a friend, a classmate, a counsellor. Help us closer than you think. You're not alone, so reach out.